Welcome to our revolutionary bail management system designed to streamline the bail process for all stakeholders. Today, we are excited to introduce Bail Reckoners, an innovative tool that integrates seamlessly with existing software systems. Let's start with the web application. Here's the home page featuring four distinct login portals for prisoners, lawyers, police, and judges. Each portal has secure and separate login process, ensuring confidentiality and ease of use. As a prisoner, you can enter your case details, including charges, previous convictions, and other relevant information. Simply submit your details, and our advanced algorithm will predict the probability of getting bail. But that's not all. Our tool is also available on Android and iOS devices, ensuring accessibility and convenience for all the users. Bail Reckoners is more than just a tool. Bail is eligible. You can proceed to connect with a lawyer and submit required documents online through our tool. Our system enables seamless collaboration and document management. Judges can review submissions, grant bail, and provide reasons for approval or rejection, all within our intuitive platform. Join us in revolutionizing the way we approach bail. Try Bail Reckoners today. Thank you for watching.